I promise you 5, 12, 13 will show up one time minimum. 3, 4, 5 is a guarantee in your non-calculator section. Pythagorean theorems, the reason that you really want to make sure these are memorized is because just like those roots, the faster you can get to them, the better. And they love to use them because, especially in the non-calculator section, the only ones they can pick from are here. So 3, 4, 5, you do see the multiples off every here and there. I promise you 5, 12, 13 will show up one time minimum. 3, 4, 5 is a guarantee in your non-calculator section. 8, 15, 17, and 7, 24, 25 are rare, but I like you to have them just in case. It's more likely that they're more in your regular math classes. But if the SAT decides to throw it at you, now you've actually identified that they happen. One thing to also do for yourself real quick, these click a little better because I know what their squares are. I know 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, which is the 3, 4, 5, right? I know 25 plus 144 is going to be 169, which is my 5, 12, 13. It's those first two that are the ones that are going to be asked of you on this test most often.